welcome back to another video. I had to peek in, y'all, and speak and so that y'all can see me for a little while. But I'm not gonna be doing whole bunch of talking in this video because it's kind of self-explanatory, and I do tell you everything you need to know in textile. So that's all. I just want to say hello, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And you all will probably hear back from me a little later in the video. And as you've seen in the beginning of the video, this is baking Crisco. It's buttered flavor and it is for baking. So for you all that have not heard of it or, you know, used it before, that's basically what it's for. And I know somebody down the line may be like, why you just didn't use a electric mixer? I think that's what they call them. But y'all, I'm kind of old school. I find it's better to use the hand mixer when, you know, baking pound cakes and different stuff like that from scratch. That's just my opinion, but I mean, hey, there's nothing wrong with either or to me. Oh, and what you just seen is the 3 cups of sugar. I just added 1/2, then mixed it, and now I'm about to add the second half. Right here, y'all, I was just cracking my eggs, my 5 eggs, just all in one container, all in one little bowl. So that's basically what I'm doing right here. As y'all can see, I'm not mixing for a very long time. Once I get the egg in there, all I'm doing is mixing it to where I don't see any more of the yellow. That's it. Okay, so what I did already ahead of time is I mixed everything in 2 different bowls. The dry ingredients, as you just seen on the screen, the flour, baking powder, and your salt, and you just mix it all so to get really incorporated together. And in the liquid was the milk, rum, and the vanilla, and you just mix that all together. But always start with your dry ingredients and then end with your dry ingredients. Always remember to scrape the sides of your bowl so that everything will be in the batter right. And I also do have my oven set at 325. Like I say on the screen, everybody's oven is different, so it just depends on that, honestly. But oh yeah, I had to go kind of back in the day, y'all, like a lot of big mamas, and grease the pan and flour it up. I did not have any Pam or Baker's Joy on hand, so I had to use what I had to make it do what it do. And that's why I always tell y'all, learn to use what you have. I mean, I promise it'll help in the long run. But one thing I did not show you all that I should have, and it's just optional, you don't have to do it. I did on the stove put 1 stick of butter and some vanilla, and I let it come to a boil. And when the cake came out of the oven, I poked holes in the cake and I just poured the butter and the vanilla on top of the cake so it sinks down inside the cake. So if you want to do that, you can. It's just all up to you. And let me see. I mean, you all pretty much know how to make glaze. I pretty much told you right there. But this cake came out really good. As you are about to see, someone could not wait to get into it, but we're not gonna say no names. But it was so good, you all. But make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye.